Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and I have the privilege of showing you this brand new 2023 Harris Grand Mariner 250. It's got the performance level 3.5 package, 300 horsepower Mercury Verado on the back, nice 4-step deep ladder, easy to get in and out, great lounger in the back, safety railing here allows you to store your fenders and legally ride back here while underway if you need that extra seating. This lounger will drop here so you can lay out completely, or it will lay flat and you've got a big bed in this area. It's got the tower, dual helm layout, large Simrad screen. This boat is rated for 15 people. Do have the in-floor storage. Love the blue accents. It's a fantastic boat for Lake of the Ozarks. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name is Jansen. My number is 573-606-3029. Thank you and have a great day.